Are you looking for a luxurious sea view apartment within a community which has its own beach? So you're at the right place. Welcome to HMR Waterfront, which has its own beach, as you can see on my right side. 3-acre mega project located right next to it. It consists of 18 towers, including 14 residential and 4 commercial towers. I'm going to give you an overview of all the towers in HMR Waterfront. As you can see, the first tower is H1 Tower. The right next to it is Saima Tower, and this is AA Waterfront. And as you can see, the digging which is taking place right now, this is the H&S Residence Tower. As you can see, I'm showing you all these towers. That tower is Saima Marina Tower. This one is H1 Tower. This is Saima Tower. And this one is AA Waterfront.